I'm going to be asking random people in public if they'd rather have £100 in cash or learn my 5-step millionaire plan on how to build a business for free. Excuse me, guys, would you ever start a business of your own?
Yeah, why not? Yes.
Awesome. And what would it be?
The South Indian coffee, which doesn't seem to have emerged here quite yet, but that would be quite
It's
fun.
true. I've spent time in India myself. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
So what would it be called?
The Kapi Wala.
What's stopping you doing it?
Money.
I will be your first customer and I will buy £100 worth of coffee off you right now. Or I'll teach you the 5 steps to make this business happen that don't require any money. Which one do you want?
The 5 steps, but I'm in a rush, so how quick are these?
I can do it really quick. How long do I have?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, right. Someone start a timer somewhere, okay? The number one thing, you actually have a head start on most people. You have an idea and you have a purpose. But the purpose needs to be a little deeper. What is the purpose of this business beyond what it does and making money? Why does it exist? You ever think about this?
To showcase different style of coffee that the West hasn't tasted yet, I guess.
Yes, you're going in the right direction. Perhaps you can help people in that region of India have a better life. Education is always an important subject. Every time you sell a cup of coffee, you help someone get the education they need in. And I don't know exactly enough about that region, but building in purpose, that's the number one thing, right? Are these police coming for you, by the way, or are they coming for me? I think my timeline got shorter because the police are coming. Yeah, no. Oh, no. Was it 2 minutes? Excuse me, sir. Would you ever start a business of your own? Excuse me. Would you ever start a business of your own? Excuse me, mate. Would you ever start a business of your own? I could change your life. Are you sure? Hey, guys, can I ask you a question? Have you ever thought about starting your own business, either of you?
Yeah.
What would you do?
I would start a mobile locker business where people go out with all their laptops and stuff, give it boozy. They're thinking, oh no, I don't want to hold on to this. So I'd start a company which goes around like a safe locker.
I think it's actually a brilliant idea. You get like Weatherspoons on board or someone like that and be a partner with them to like look after people's stuff. Brilliant. What's stopping you doing it?
Funding. Yeah.
I can give you £100 to start this business, or I can give you the 5 steps to make it happen. Which one you want?
5 steps.
Let's do it. Number 2 out of these 5 steps, right? Number 2, build the team. Now, I bet when I tell you that, you think you need money, right?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
If your mate that was with you, I'm pretty sure if you said to him, look, I'll give you 5% of the business and I need you to help me lunchtimes and evenings make this happen, and maybe he can source locker material, I don't know, but you start recruiting people by making people believe in your purpose and leveraging equity and seeing that they can have an upside beyond a salary. So you see what I mean? So you can start to think, who do you actually need to bring into this business? You can start building the team. All right, so I'm going to still give you the £100 if you want it. Right, invest in your business, or I can take the £100 and I can double it and give it to the next person I'm going to speak to about this formula.
Go on, double it and give it to the next person.
Good man. What's your name?
Barney.
Barney. You're a star, yeah. Good luck to you, Barney. Hey guys, can I ask you a question? Would you ever start your own business?
Yeah, of course. I'm actually in the middle of starting my own business.
Oh, really?
I want to do like a kind of like a spoken word poetry, looking at psychotherapy and how to combat mental health in the community.
I love it. And what can we do to help you?
Investment.
I tell you what. I'll give you £100 right now to help with the business, or I'll give you the 5 steps to start any business and make it massive.
Give me the 5 steps.
5 steps, not the £100, sure? How about £200 or the... No, sure? So the third step, which you also kind of have, interestingly enough, but I think a lot of people don't realise it, is a brand. So what's the name of the company?
So Poetry of Purpose. Poetry of Purpose is my own brand. I've branded it myself. I've paid for the copyright of the logo, the idea. So what I'm looking at, that's going to be like, before I enter a room, my brand speaks for me first. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You're going to be very successful because you already have the third step, which people don't realise is so important. So I want to give you the £200 still, right? Or I can double it and give it to the next person. What do you want?
Double it and give it to the next person, man.
Excuse me, sir. Would you ever start a business of your own?
That's a very good question. I would love to start a business of my own. But the only thing is just capital at the moment.
If I told you could start a business with no money, what business would you like to start?
Wow. I would like to actually learn more about going into property.
I could teach you those 5 steps. Or I can give you £400. Which one do you want?
I would actually go for the 5 steps.
But you sure, one last time, because there's a lot of money. You want the £400 or you want these 5 steps?
I want the 5 steps.
Come over here. The fourth thing in a 5-plan strategy to build a business is start selling. Today, you know what they call it? Marketing. So how can you start selling without any money? Go get the social media handles. Go get Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. Start building the brand, building out the purpose, which you're missing at the moment. We'll have to come back to that. But this selling thing, start telling your friends you're doing it. Start telling yourself it. Start selling it to people. Start selling to people why they should get involved. Start selling to people why they should sponsor you, back you, become a partner with you in it. Now, a final question for you. I will give you the £400, or I'll double it and give it to the next person. What do you want to do?
I say double it and give it to the next person. Yeah.
That's a big decision for you, yeah?
Yeah.
I sense that. It's a big decision for you, that was.
Yeah.
That was actually emotional. That got me a bit emotional, that one. Because that was a big decision for him not to take that money. Excuse me, guys. Would you ever start a business of your own?
Yeah.
You would?
Yeah.
What would you do?
I'll be looking at some sort of creative agency which connects undervalued and under-recognised video editors, graphic designers with big clients such as footballers, athletes.
So there's 5 steps to building any business. I'll give you £400, or I tell you these 5 steps. Which one do you want?
I'll take the 5 steps.
You sure? £400 is a lot of money. You're a student, right? That's going to buy a lot of beer, I think. Guess that's what. I don't know. What do students actually spend money on these days?
Alcohol.
Alcohol, there we go, good. The 5th step to building any business, you know what it is? It's the one that everyone always thinks is the first thing, money. Now, do you need money to start this business?
I wouldn't say large amounts. Essentially promoting and marketing, and even paying the team, for example.
Take some time to research how much you think you need. Spend a bit of time thinking about this. But like I said, if you've got a purpose, you've got a team that's joined you because they care about that purpose, and you've sold in advance and got proof of concept, then practically money will fall in your lap. Because people will want to invest. So I offered you £400, right? So I'll give you that £400 to start your business, or I'll double it and give it to the next person. What do you want to do?
I'm going to take the 400.
You're allowed to do that. I'm just surprised. But I'm not judging. Yeah. It's your decision. So you definitely want to take it.
Yeah.
He's taking it. There's your £400 investment in your business. Promise you should come back and tell us how you get on. Good luck, man. Really, I love your idea, yeah. If you want more business knowledge, then click this video.